How to fix WhatsApp microphone if not working. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fix the WhatsApp microphone if it is not working on your phone. The first step is to open the Settings application of your phone, just like you can see here. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down slowly through the list of apps that are installed on your device. From the apps listed, look for WhatsApp and make sure you tap on it. When you tap on WhatsApp, you will be taken to a new page named Allow WhatsApp to Access. On this page, you will see a list of all the features and permissions that WhatsApp needs to function properly on your phone. These include permissions such as contacts, photos, microphone, camera, and others. Since our issue is with the microphone, go ahead and look for the option named Microphone. If the toggle button next to it is turned off, this means WhatsApp does not have access to use your microphone, which is why the microphone may not be working when you are trying to make calls or send voice notes. To fix the problem, make sure you enable this toggle button by tapping on it. Once you have enabled it, WhatsApp will be allowed to use your microphone and the issue should be resolved immediately. If the problem still persists, even after doing this, you may also consider restarting your phone or checking if your microphone works with other apps to confirm if the issue is with WhatsApp or the device itself. The process is very simple and quick to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you fix the WhatsApp microphone not working issue. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix WhatsApp microphone if not working.